Welcome to our exploration of Austria, a country that boasts some of the most breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural landmarks in Europe. In this video, we will take you on a journey through Austria's stunning scenery, from the majestic peaks of the Alps to the serene lakes that dot the countryside. You'll discover charming villages that seem to have stepped out of a fairy tale, each with its own unique character and history. We'll delve into the vibrant cities of Vienna and Salzburg, where history and modernity blend seamlessly. You'll learn about the architectural marvels that define these cities, including the opulent palaces, historic cathedrals, and world-renowned museums that showcase Austria's artistic heritage. But it's not just about the sights. We'll also highlight the unique experiences that await you in Austria. Whether it's savoring traditional Austrian cuisine, enjoying a classical music concert in a historic venue, or participating in local festivals that celebrate the country's rich traditions, there's something for everyone. As we embark on this adventure, prepare to be captivated by the beauty and charm of Austria. Each location we explore will reveal the stories and culture that make this country truly special. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the wonders of Austria, where every corner holds a new surprise and every experience is a chance to create lasting memories. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Austria a must-visit destination. Vienna. The Imperial City. Vienna, the capital of Austria, is a city steeped in rich history and adorned with stunning architecture that reflects its imperial past. As you stroll through its streets, you'll encounter iconic landmarks that tell the story of this magnificent city. One of the must-visit sites is the Schönbrunn Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that was once the summer residence of the Habsburgs. With its opulent rooms and beautifully landscaped gardens, it offers a glimpse into the grandeur of imperial life. Another architectural gem is St. Stephen's Cathedral, a symbol of Vienna's resilience and a masterpiece of Gothic design. Its towering spire and intricate mosaics draw visitors from around the world, making it a central point of interest in the city. Vienna is not just about its stunning buildings, it is also a cultural hub known for its vibrant music and art scene. The city has been home to legendary composers like Mozart, Beethoven, and Strauss, and you can experience their legacies in the many concert halls and opera houses that dot the city. Attending a performance at the Vienna State Opera is an unforgettable experience that immerses you in the city's musical heritage. No visit to Vienna would be complete without indulging in its local cuisine. Be sure to try traditional dishes like Wiener Schnitzel and Sachertorte, a decadent chocolate cake that has become synonymous with the city. From charming coffeehouses to bustling markets, Vienna offers a culinary journey that complements its historical and cultural richness. Salzburg. The birthplace of Mozart. Welcome to Salzburg, a charming city that captivates visitors with its Baroque architecture and rich musical heritage. Nestled against the backdrop of the stunning Alps, Salzburg is not only known as the birthplace of the legendary composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart but also as a vibrant cultural hub that celebrates its artistic legacy. One of the key attractions in Salzburg is the Hohensalzburg Fortress, which towers majestically over the city. This well-preserved medieval fortress offers breathtaking panoramic views and a fascinating glimpse into the region's history. As you explore its ramparts and museums, you'll gain insight into the lives of the archbishops who once ruled the area. Another must-see is Mirabell Palace, renowned for its exquisite gardens and stunning Baroque architecture. The palace grounds are a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, where you can admire the beautifully manicured flower beds and the iconic Pegasus Fountain, all while soaking in the romantic atmosphere that Salzburg exudes. Salzburg's connection to Mozart is palpable throughout the city. Visitors can explore his birthplace, now a museum dedicated to his life and works, and enjoy the annual Salzburg Festival, which showcases world-class performances of opera and classical music. This festival draws music lovers from around the globe, celebrating the city's rich musical traditions. As you wander through Salzburg's picturesque streets, be sure to visit the local markets, where you can sample delicious Austrian delicacies and experience the warm hospitality of the locals. With its enchanting charm and cultural significance, Salzburg is a destination that promises unforgettable memories. Innsbruck. The Alpine Gem. Welcome to Innsbruck, a breathtaking alpine gem nestled in the heart of the Austrian Alps. Known for its stunning scenery and vibrant outdoor activities, Innsbruck is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The city is surrounded by the majestic Nordkette mountain range, which offers some of the most spectacular views in the region. A trip to the top of the Nordkette is a must, where you can take in panoramic vistas of snow-capped peaks and lush valleys that will leave you in awe. Innsbruck is a haven for winter sports enthusiasts, boasting world-class skiing and snowboarding opportunities. The nearby ski resorts, such as Stubai Glacier and Axamer Lism, cater to all skill levels, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned pros to hit the slopes. With well-groomed trails and breathtaking alpine scenery, winter in Innsbruck is nothing short of magical. But the adventure doesn't stop when the snow melts. In the summer months, the region transforms into a hiker's paradise, with countless trails winding through the mountains. Whether you prefer leisurely walks or challenging hikes, there's something for everyone. The fresh alpine air and stunning landscapes make every step a rewarding experience. What sets Innsbruck apart is its unique blend of urban life and nature. The city itself is vibrant, with charming streets, historic architecture, and a lively cultural scene. You can enjoy the best of both worlds, exploring the bustling city and then retreating to the tranquility of the surrounding mountains. Innsbruck truly offers an unforgettable experience for those seeking adventure and beauty in equal measure. Hallstatt, a fairy tale village. Welcome to Hallstatt, a picturesque village that seems to have leapt straight out of a fairy tale. Nestled between the serene waters of Lake Hallstatt and the towering Dockstein Mountains, this enchanting destination is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its breathtaking beauty and historical significance. Hallstatt's rich history dates back over 7,000 years, making it one of the oldest salt production sites in the world. The village's salt mines have played a crucial role in its development, contributing to its wealth and cultural heritage. As you explore Hallstatt, you'll be captivated by its charming streets lined with traditional wooden houses adorned with colorful flowers. One of the best ways to experience the village is by taking a leisurely boat ride on Lake Hallstatt. The crystal-clear waters reflect the stunning mountain scenery, creating a postcard-perfect view that you won't want to miss. Whether you choose to paddle a kayak or hop on a guided boat tour, the tranquility of the lake will leave you feeling rejuvenated. Another highlight of your visit should be the historic salt mines, where you can delve into the fascinating world of salt extraction. Guided tours take you deep into the mountain, showcasing ancient mining techniques and offering a glimpse into the village's storied past. Hallstatt is a hidden gem that invites you to appreciate its serene beauty and charm. With its stunning lakeside views, rich history, and a plethora of activities, this fairy tale village promises an unforgettable experience that will linger in your heart long after you leave. The Wachau Valley, a scenic delight. Welcome to the Wachau Valley, a stunning region that showcases the scenic beauty and rich cultural heritage of Austria. Nestled along the banks of the Danube River, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its picturesque vineyards, charming towns, and breathtaking landscapes. As you explore the valley, you'll encounter the delightful towns of Dürnstein and Krems, each offering its own unique character and history. Dürnstein is particularly famous for its striking blue church tower and the ruins of the medieval castle where King Richard the Lionheart was imprisoned. Strolling through its narrow streets, you'll find quaint shops, inviting cafes, and stunning views of the surrounding vineyards and river. Just a short distance away, Krems is known for its vibrant art scene and historic architecture, making it a perfect complement to your visit. The Wachau Valley is also a paradise for wine lovers. The region is celebrated for its exceptional white wines, particularly Gruner Veltliner and Riesling. Many local wineries offer wine tasting experiences, allowing you to savor the exquisite flavors while enjoying the picturesque vineyard views. Pair your wine with local culinary delights, such as hearty Austrian dishes and delectable pastries, for a truly memorable dining experience. To fully appreciate the valley's beauty, consider taking a river cruise along the Danube. This leisurely journey allows you to soak in the stunning landscapes, dotted with terraced vineyards, rolling hills, and charming villages. The Wachau Valley is a scenic delight that invites you to immerse yourself in its natural beauty and rich cultural heritage, making it a must-visit destination in Austria. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Austria, it's clear that this beautiful country offers a diverse array of attractions and experiences that cater to every type of traveler. From the imperial charm of Vienna, with its stunning architecture and rich musical heritage, to the fairy tale village of Hallstatt, Nestled by a serene lake, Austria is a treasure trove of breathtaking landscapes and cultural landmarks. We explored the alpine beauty of Innsbruck, where outdoor adventures await in both winter and summer, and the picturesque Wachau Valley, famous for its vineyards and delightful culinary experiences. Each destination we highlighted showcases the unique charm and history that Austria has to offer, inviting you to immerse yourself in its vibrant culture and stunning scenery. Whether you're savoring traditional Austrian dishes, enjoying a concert in a historic venue, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Austria promises unforgettable memories. We encourage you to explore these amazing places for yourself and create your own unique experiences in this enchanting country. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like the video and share it with friends and family who are also interested in discovering the wonders of Austria. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel insights and adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you in Austria soon.